Hi everyone, in this video we are going to create a simple counter app using HTML, CSS and JS by ChatGPT. ChatGPT started to give us the separate code such as HTML, CSS and JS to run the counter application. In the meantime, we can discuss about the potential of ChatGPT in coding. Since it is an AI model, it is easy to get template code of any application to save the time. Not only the coding logic, it can generate us the UI to create and customize our application. So it is considered to be a lifesaver for developers and great learning platform for beginners. Okay then, it gave us the code and let's start compiling it. Let's copy the HTML code first and paste it in the compiler space. Now, let's make the logic for the counter. Copy-paste the JS code to compiler and run it. Finally, you can see the counter is updating. Okay then, ask the ChatGPT to add the header and make it visually appealing. Let's replace the HTML and CSS code to make changes. Finally, here's our simple and elegant counter app is ready by using ChatGPT without typing a single line of code. Well, sounds cool. Thanks for watching and do subscribe, comment and share this video.